Welcome to Bike Update, the ultimate destination for all things two-wheeled. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the 2026 Coleman CT200U, one of the most reliable and rugged mini bikes in the utility category. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast, a weekend adventurer, or just someone looking for a practical and fun backyard bike, the CT200U has likely been on your radar. So, let's break down everything you need to know about the newest model in the Coleman lineup. Classic styling with subtle modern touches. The 2026 Coleman CT200U retains its iconic old-school mini bike design, staying true to what made it popular in the first place. The wide handlebars, steel tube frame, and chunky tires give it that classic American mini bike look. However, this year's model introduces a more refined powder-coated finish to improve rust resistance and enhance the bike's overall durability. The fit and finish are noticeably cleaner, with improved welds and more attention to detail, especially around the engine cradle and control layout. The color palette now includes a matte black, deep red, and camo green variant, giving buyers more personality options straight from the factory. Engine and performance upgrades. At the heart of the CT200U lies a dependable 196 cubic centimeters air-cooled, four-stroke OHV engine. It may not be high performance in the traditional sense, but it's built for reliability and torque, which is exactly what you want in a utility mini bike. The engine produces around 6.5 horsepower, delivering just enough grunt for moderate hill climbs, trail riding, and light towing tasks. This year, Coleman has slightly revised the carburation and intake system to improve throttle response and fuel efficiency. The CVT automatic transmission makes operation simple. Just twist the throttle and go. There's no clutch or gear shifting to worry about, making it beginner-friendly and low-maintenance. Ride comfort and handling. The 2026 CT200U rides on large, 19x7-8 knobby tires that are built to handle loose gravel, dirt paths, and even some mud. The front telescopic fork has been retuned for slightly better shock absorption, while the rigid rear keeps the bike's utility purpose in focus. While it's not built for hardcore off-roading, it comfortably soaks up bumps during light to moderate trail use. The bike's low seat height, around 25 inches, gives most riders a confident, grounded feel. The wide handlebars offer great leverage for tighter turns and stability on rough terrain. At 138 pounds, the CT200U is relatively light, allowing easy maneuvering and transport in the back of a truck or trailer. Braking and safety. Coleman sticks with the same rear drum brake setup for 2026. It's simple, low maintenance, and effective for the speeds this mini bike reaches, generally topping out at around 20 to 25 miles per hour. While we would have liked to see a front disc brake added for extra stopping power, the drum setup remains reliable for the intended use case. For safety, the CT200U includes a chain guard, kill switch, and rugged foot pegs with metal grips. Riders still need to wear proper protective gear, especially helmets, as this is a fully manual machine with no electronic rider aids. Fuel capacity and runtime. With a 0.95-gallon gas tank, the CT200U offers a surprisingly good range. Thanks to its low fuel consumption and efficient engine, you can get about 3 to 4 hours of casual trail riding on a single tank. It's perfect for property owners who need a simple utility bike for chores, or trail riders who don't want to be constantly refueling. Refueling is also easier in this model, thanks to the redesigned gas cap and filler neck that reduce spills and make top-ups faster. Who is it for? The 2026 Coleman CT200U is perfect for a wide range of riders. Beginners love it because of its simplicity and automatic transmission. Outdoor enthusiasts use it for exploring trails and hunting camps. Ranchers and property owners rely on it for daily tasks thanks to its durability and low cost of ownership. And if you're into mini bike customization, the CT200U offers a solid foundation. From performance carb kits to torque converters and exhaust upgrades, the aftermarket support for this bike is massive. Pricing and value. Priced around $799 to $899, the CT200U remains one of the most affordable and rugged mini bikes on the market. For that price, you get a fully functional off-road capable bike that's easy to maintain, durable, and extremely fun. The low maintenance cost and wide parts availability only increase its long-term value. Final verdict, why it's still a bestseller. To wrap things up, the 2026 Coleman CT200U proves once again why it's a go-to choice in the mini bike market. It blends classic mini bike charm with modern improvements in durability, comfort, and efficiency. While it won't replace a full-size dirt bike or ATV, it's unbeatable in its category for practicality and price. If you're looking for a no-nonsense, rugged, and incredibly fun utility bike, the CT200U still delivers in 2026. Thanks for watching Bike Update. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth motorcycle and mini bike reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.